Join us for a breathtaking short stop at Glencoe. Stunning views, rich history, and just a hint of what's to come. Keep watching to discover our next exciting adventure.
Nestling into the landscape at the foot of the glen is the award-winning eco-friendly visitor centre, including exhibition, viewing platform, cafe, shop and ranger information point. The ranger service has a varied events programme with Land Rover safaris and children's events. It's open daily from 10 AM to 5 PM.
We've just arrived at Glencoe Visitor Centre, haven't we?
It's a National Trust.
National Trust. We're inside the visitor centre. And there's a lot of things about the mountains. Caring for the glen.
The Turf and Creel House is 200 metres from Glencoe Visitor Centre on a relatively level, fine gravel path. This is a replica of a turf house that the inhabitants of Glencoe would have lived in the 17th century. This part of the building would have housed the cattle. Through this door is where the inhabitants would have lived. Above the fire, which sits in the centre of the floor, a cast iron griddle pan hangs from an iron chain suspended from the timber framework.
Probably would have been warm with a proper fire. But there's no chimney, is there?
I'm just looking for a chimney. Yeah.
They would have been covered in smoke. The window to look out. Even I'm too big for this door. Aren't I?
Yeah. You've been tall in them.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Yeah, you know. Glencoe is known for its haunting past as well as its wild beauty. The infamous massacre that took place here in 1692 is a tragic and poignant chapter in Scottish history and a key moment in the story of the Jacobites.
We're at the National Trust Visitor Centre in Glencoe.
We are.
So we've just had a look round this grass and reed hut.
Yeah.
And I think if you'd have lived there with a nice fire in it, you'd have been very cosy.
I think, yeah, well insulated.
Yeah, and the views surrounding us are beautiful, as you can see.
Absolutely fantastic.
And it's called the Turf House. We're walking back now towards the visitor centre, and there's a coffee shop, so you know what that means, don't you? Coffee time. Everyone, well, I thought I'd just pop on. We've been to Glencoe Visitor Centre and we're making our way on the A82 towards Luss at Loch Lomond. It's been a beautiful journey until now. We find them, don't we? Traffic hold-ups. We've been sat here about 20 minutes. We can see traffic and something moving right at the top, but it's not us that's moving. It must be another road or something. So we're trying to find out if there's been an accident or whatever. So, as we always think though, we're the lucky ones because we have got a loo on board, whereas lots of people in cars haven't.
Yeah, that's true.
And at the visitor centre, look who I bought. He's a coo. Is that how they say it? A coo.
A cow?
It's a cow, but they call it a coo. So we've named him Dinky Coo. Archie's not impressed, are you, Arch?
No.
Not impressed at all, bless him.
You're saying I look a bit like that.
He looks a bit like that, yeah. Anyway, so we're sat here, not moving, but the scenery around us, everybody, is fantastic. Look at that. But what is the hold-up? It says roadworks.
Well, it said roadwork. Maybe it's a crash in the roadwork.
It's all that bit here. So we don't really know what the problem is.
No.
Wait a minute, there's a car coming down. Well, we think we've found out what it is. There's roadworks that we are in at the moment, and then if you look that way, there's a flashing police light. So we think there's some sort of an accident. So we've got like
a double whammy.
Yeah, double whammy. So I don't know what's gone off, but we'll find out when we get there. But it's getting rather hot in the van for little Arch, isn't it? Getting a bit stressed, aren't you, my boy? Don't like it. Not too keen, we found out now. He's never bothered before when we've been in the van, but now when we're moving, he doesn't like the roads.
The bumpy road.
Yeah, all the potholes and everything. He gets stressed with it. He's all right on the smooth roads, but anything with potholes in, he's stressed, isn't he?
Sorry, Arch.
Yeah.
We can't do anything about the roads.
No, unfortunately. Roadworks. Yep, it looks like a motorbike. Yep, motorbike. Gosh, you wouldn't think that. He didn't look injured or anything. He was just having a word with the police. So that's what's caused all the hold up. Not to worry. See you later.
We're now nearing our destination of Luss, which is on the shores of Loch Lomond, which is over 22 miles long.
Loch Lomond Ferry Trail, Luss Campsite, that's it. So it must be here. Yeah, yeah. They went that way. Yeah, it's there, look. Right, where's the camp? Where's the... Must be here. I think. Yeah, through there. Reception. Oh, God. Well, I can't believe it, everybody. We've just arrived at Luss Campsite and it's absolutely gorgeous. Arch is in there waiting, bless him. But look, the hose pipe suddenly sprung, leaks. Look at it, it's all over the van. Never mind. Well, I think we need a new hose pipe.
Yeah.
It's squirting out there, look. And then as you go round, it's leaking.
It's leaking everywhere.
Everywhere.
Down there.
The thing is, we had a flat one, didn't we? Because it folds up easier for our motorhome because we haven't got, you know, that much storage. We don't have a big locker. I could have a shower.
I've seen that leak before.
No. Hi everyone. Well,
Ooh.
we've arrived.
We have.
So what time is it, Tony?
It's 10 to 3.
10 to 3.
We've all pitched up.
Yep, we're pitched up and we're going to go and have a little look round the village.
Look at the view we've got.
Yeah, because we've got a lovely view. I'll show you outside in a minute. We're right by the loch. And
14.
yeah, pitch 14. So let me just show you. Come on, Archie, let me get by. So we've just got electric on the pitch. So here we are. Just got the waste master there. I keep calling it a waste master, but it's not. It's just Fiamma roll tank. Fiamma roll tank. Because it's a small one. Pitch 14, like Tony said. And we're on Loch Lomond. Look at that for a view. Beautiful. Little tiny beach here as well. That's nice. And it's sunny. Lovely blue skies. And it's warmer here. And we're just going to go a walk up into the village, aren't we? It's warmer here, isn't it?
Yes. Probably a little bit.
We've come down.
More sheltered.
Yeah, we've come down from the hills a little bit. Yeah, the roads around Loch Lomond were a bit tight. I mean, we've been on them before, but not in a motorhome. And our motorhome's only tiny. So we're ready, aren't we, Archie, for a walk? So shall we take everybody with us? Yes, he's ready for a walk. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, bye. Found another little beach. Ah, little ducks. Hello, little ducks. Not scared, are they?
No.
That must be holiday lets over there, look.
Oh, yeah.
Or hotel. We'll see in a moment. Little jetty there with a boat. Little boats over there. Looks like somebody's going out on one. In the village.
Come with us in the next video as we explore the village of Luss.
Lovely scenery again. Look at the mountains.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, let's go to the village.
Yeah.